Hello everyone for another video of my American Flower Smoking Tender HO scale. Today I'm going to show you how I've managed to make my own piston for my smoke unit for my 5318. And there you see the old bellow that was completely dead. So after actually 5 days of trying different things, I've managed to found a small copper fitting, 1-inch copper fitting, cut it down to just the right size, and I've made my own, how would you say that, a plunger, a piston, I don't know, and the core of the piston is made out of like this big bolt, and I just cut off a small part of it and managed to make the middle of the piston, and that's like a random HO scale side valve rod that I found, and on the inside it's just drill. Yeah, you see it better now. And the outside of the piston is made out of those plastic fitting that I found that actually was a lock, because the thickness of this with the thickness of the bolt actually made the right size for the piston to be snug enough inside the copper tube, and I shim it down with some aluminum tape, so it's a tight fit but not too tight, and there's plenty of oil in there, and it's just crazy glued on the chuffer part of the smoke unit. Down you can see that copper bolt, and that's what makes the chuff sounds, and it's actually working great, better than the old rubber bellow, and it looks kind of nice, and yeah, it chuffs kind of great. Let me show you. Let me put the smoke on. There you can see it. Yeah. Let me put the part on it. Wait a second. The nozzle. There you go. And the motor doesn't seem to force a lot, so I think it's a winner project. So you can go very slow with it, and I've worked on the motor and made it run better, because I had some trouble with it. Like even with the piston, just at the beginning of the transformer, it doesn't seem to care a lot. So let me put the shell on. Let me remove that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think it's a nice project. And I think it's gonna last longer than just buying because I've looked on eBay for those replacement bellows, rubber bellows for American Flyer, and in Canadian dollars with the shipping and importation tax, they're like 65-70 bucks Canadian. So I was not wanting to pay that, but this seems to work okay, and I'm gonna stay with that because it looks nice and it sounds great. And I know they made some American Flyer HO smoke and tender with like factory pistons, but this it's a nice replacement for let me just, yeah, so you can see better. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.